A landscape shaped by its industrial past is to be protected for the future. Much of the horizon here was man-made. Welsh slate brought up from deep underground, hundreds of millions of tons of stone, with a story that makes it worthy of World Heritage status.
Once they'd had the tunnels dug.
Brian Jones tells me he first worked down here aged just 16.
Chambers were usually 45 feet wide, and it would have been up to 4 men working in a chamber like this.
He believes preserving the rich history of this area will recognise both the contribution of the industry to it and to the world.
When somebody says we're going to protect it now for generations to come, what does that mean to you?
It means everything. When you think that you're going back generations, your family have been here. They worked here. They worked in these mines. And it's so important that these mines are looked after and kept and shared with other people throughout the world.
At its peak, 17,000 were employed in the Welsh slate industry. It was tough and dangerous work requiring ingenuity that includes developing new ways of quarrying and processing the stone, as well as advancing railway technology in mountainous environments.
150 years ago, this slate had no value at all. Now, it's worth protecting. An example of a bygone era.
Assuming, as is expected, UNESCO agree with the nomination, the North Wales slate landscape is set to join the likes of Stonehenge, the natural wonder of the Giant's Causeway, and Blenheim Palace on the list of World Heritage Sites in the UK.
So the coal industry already has got recognition, and the tin industry in Cornwall. What is important is the slate industry gets that recognition that will bring international tourists to North West Wales.
The natural beauty here is preserved within the Snowdonia National Park. Now industry is set to get its own recognition as the slate mines are put forward to join the most prestigious list of global historical locations. Rupert Evelyn, News at 10, North Wales.